Lord, all those things I've been through in my life, and all those fights keep me stronger and wise.
Good morning, guys. I'm with mommy again. Mommy's going back to... Guys,
Jesus Christ.
I don't know what it is with me and gum. I see you guys comment all the time like, Lord have mercy, you and this gum. I don't know. When I put gum in my mouth, I just can't, like, I don't understand how people chew silent. Just, not I. I can't help it. I like the sound of the, you know what I mean? Anyways, guys, I gotta spit out this gum because I can't control myself. So today we are, where are we going? Oh, we're gonna go, mom's gonna go get a mammogram, and then we have
to tell the world my business.
Well, it's good. It's good. You guys should get your annual mammograms. I've never gotten a mammogram. I think when you hit, what age the doctor said? Oh no, that was the gynecologist. I don't know what age you're supposed to hit and you're supposed to do your mammogram, but mom is a good girl. She does it every year. Nothing exciting going. Guys, I got my hair done. And I don't know if I like it. I feel like it makes me look smaller than I am. And I'm trying to get a little thick, you know what I mean? Mom, you like it? I curled it. Did I do okay? Guys, let me know if you like the straight hair on me. And I just put some curls in it. And stuff. Yeah? I swear, like, when you are a girl, guys have it so easy. When you're a girl, it is expensive. You have to get, look, my nails have to be done again because they're peeling. I said that I'm not gonna do the acrylics anymore because my nails grow long, but I feel like it costs more money for you not to do the acrylics because every second it's like peeling. Like, look, my nails already peeling. This hand's always Gucci, but this one that I use the most, it's always peeling. I don't know if it's worth it. I really don't know if it's worth it. Right? Don't you feel like they peel fast? $30 to get whatever this is, and then the acrylics still at 25, 20 bucks for a fill, 15. I don't know. It's getting expensive. But my mom gives me money, so you know what I mean? But it's expensive being a girl. I'm just putting that out there, yeah? Why do you think it's expensive?
For me, maybe basket that we can't take it out.
I hang my basket where I can take it down too, but I don't want to look, the work I do, if I look cute, I make more money sometimes. Yeah, not all the time.
The last many years in clean, in the business we done. Now for put on.
Well, I'm single. You're not single.
Yeah, do here.
Who?
You have to go here. Who don't like it, bite it.
Yeah, but when you're single in the world, you have
single.
to. Who?
Me.
Guys, she's not single. Okay, single over here. Yeah.
You the please or you the please yourself?
I'm pleasing myself.
Me a please, me not please no man.
I don't please any guys, but I'm
somebody me a please an Almighty God. Me not please nobody.
I'm not pleasing anybody, but I'm just saying.
Anyhow me want go on, me go on. If even barefoot, me gone. I don't business with people nowadays. I have no time for people. Dress how me want dress. I'm gone.
Right,
responsible people.
Yeah, but when you were younger, was that your attitude? No, you were hotter than hot. Not true. Not true, my girl. Not true. Guys, I have to show you guys some pictures of my mom back in the day. Hottie with a body, yeah. But yeah, I'm not trying to please anybody. I'm trying to please myself. But I like when I'm put together. I'm not always put together. Lord have
you young.
Right. That's what I'm saying. Right. So you always say you want grandkids and stuff like that.
You're fussy over your hair and your nails and your this and your that and your that.
I'm too fussy?
You're too fussy and jumpy.
You think I'm fussy and jumpy?
Yes.
No? Because half the time my hair looks a mess when I do it. This is like the first time I actually put some curls.
Suppose your hair short like from your hair long and down your back. Will you me creamy hair and me gone? These are people. If them bad, they open them out.
And say what?
I said nothing.
Like what?
If you can put in some ear in your head or something. To me. I make me tell them if you go put the ear.
Weak.
This is about no ear. I'm only me just say house and car and that. This is about ear and whatever.
Yeah.
You don't know the money per house and ear. About
Clothes.
pan clothes.
And hair.
Eye nails and hair. Where you live? My woman have if you do all kind of things.
That's what I'm telling you. Everything is. Guys, we're about to go inside. We'll see you in a bit. Really? I have a headache. I can't have a headache.
I manage it just too much.
I'm not just over no
Happy
man.
show.
I'm not just over no man. Trust me. When I tell you, trust me. What's meant to be will be. That's how I'm living my life now. What's meant to be will be. I don't want to be with anybody that doesn't want to be with me.
I don't want nobody talking to you.
Right. And I don't want nobody that, oh, something happens, you're so quick.
Stable.
Right. Maybe it's better than I'm
Where you go? Burger King?
No, I want to go to McDonald's and get some fries.
Them fast food business.
If you get a sandwich, just give me the fries. You want a sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
You have money? Pull out your money.
$100
Excuse me.
Let me find the money in the
You want a number 4?
What can I get for you?
May I have a number 4 medium, please?
Please?
Yeah. She said she thought she put it in the bag. Wait, can I have the apple pie? Don't open it. I got it.
Yeah, man problem.
Who has man? Can you stop saying that? Because I don't have no man problem. Can you stop?
They've got a headache and it's dead.
No, I have a headache though. Mom, what did I tell you? Honestly, I don't. Trust me. What's meant to be will be. I don't even worry about that.
Hopefully them bread shine, so what them put on it?
Butter.
They must sit down, can't do better enough. All of them are sitting there.
Where's my water? Charlotte don't have no water in her office?
Let me see. The PA is good enough.
Fresh cash.
We see apple pie?
You want a bite?
No, sir.
I don't even like eating from McDonald's. I can do better.
What is that?
What? Flour. Hey guys, so my mom just went into her job's office. I thought this would be like a good time for me to talk to you guys. So basically, the last time I talked to you guys, like you guys gave me a lot of good advice. So I just wanted to kind of take a little bit of time just to update you guys again on what's going on with me. So first of all, I'm gonna start off by saying thank you guys so much for the kind words, your prayers, your condolences. Just thank you so much for the positive energy that you guys sent on my uncle's funeral video. That was a really tough video for my family and I. My mom cried through it. My aunt couldn't even watch the whole thing. I was like bawling my eyes out, like editing. And honestly, I didn't even think I was gonna have like a funeral video for you guys because I was so emotional and I missed so much. Like there were so many more people that sang. There were so many people that did remembrance. I even went up and did a remembrance. And my aunt's friend, the one that was holding the wreath that said Derval on it, is the one that was like, Safina, you're not gonna video. So that's the reason why you guys even got like videos, is because of her. Because she was like telling me like, Safina. So, and I'm thankful. So thank you, Talawa. Big up yourself. So yeah, and I never really shared this with you guys, but I've never really lost anybody that's close to me. So it's a new experience, and my uncle and I were so close. Like, he was like my best friend. Like, obviously you guys can see, like, my family is very tight and knit, and there's so many moments that I didn't record when he came to see me and stuff, and that's just because, you know, you just want to be in the moment. You want to be in the moment, but sometimes, I don't know, looking back on it, I wish I had like record when, you know, we were on the random me, Clover and Gavan and all kinds of stuff. These are all family members, and Leisha and stuff like that. But I'm just trying to take it one day at a time. And I just talked to you guys in, should I even say this? I'm going to say whatever. I just talked to you guys, in my last car vlog, like, you know, that we had the talk or whatever, and I said I was talking to someone. Well, that just ended yesterday, and I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I liked him. It was long distance. I liked him. Like, he was cool. He said he liked me. I'm not really sure if he liked me, because if you say, I don't even know if I want to share this. All right, I'm going to say it. If you say that you want to spend your life with me, yeah? How can within less than 24 hours, the next second you're telling me, oh, I can't please you. And then I'm like, well, if I can't please you, then you need to let me, you know, go. And if you ask me, are you sure? Yeah. And then I say, well, I want you to be happy. And then you reply with, okay, bye. That means you didn't really like me. And you didn't, all the stuff you said to me in the, you know, I wouldn't say months. It was like a month and something that we talked. And you're saying, oh, you know what I mean? I feel like I could fall in love with you and all this BS. Yeah. Okay. That was all game. And I'm happy. Like, honestly, when it comes to relationships, if it doesn't work out early, I thank God. I'm like, thank you, God. Because I don't want to, I know the person I am. Once I fall for you, I honestly fall for you. You know what I mean? So I don't want to be with somebody that genuinely doesn't want to be with me. You know what I mean? It's one thing to say like these words and say, oh, I really care about you, I want to be with you, and blah, 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 blah. And then the next second, because I don't do something that you want, or I don't do something how you want me to do it or whatever, you feel like that's grounds to be like, all right, everything else is scratched because you didn't get your way. You get what I'm saying? He was kind of cute though, but it is what it is. So anyways, guys, my mom, I'm just waiting for my mom to get out of the office, and then we're gonna go to the bank and then the grocery store, and then I will see you guys later. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoy these talks and, you know, like to keep updated with me and see what's going on. So hi guys, we just came home. I didn't vlog when we went into the store because we just, you know, shopped a bit. And now I'm about to unpack the food, and then I'm gonna edit this vlog. And that's it. Nothing exciting, guys. Nothing exciting. Mom goes back to work tomorrow. So
business.
Mom does not go back to work tomorrow, guys. Disregard that. Oh, I just got a sharp pain in my back. Wow. That was... Yeah. What blouse? I spread them out. They slid off the thing. Why didn't you hang them up in your walk-in closet?
Where put the pan cover upon them for?
Why don't you... Listen, I don't understand why you put them in the laundry room and you put them on top of the carpet where everything slid off.
Just take out something, just put them there.
Well, it slid off and I slid it back up. I guess I didn't do it properly.
I just took it back up. You put the pan cover upon it. Them.
What is a pan cover gonna do to a shirt? Listen, this is why I need to move out.